Welcome to Gbpjpy's analysis for the second week of October. I've annotated a bunch of things here. We're currently at a supply area 137.8 to 138.2-ish. So I also said that price may pull up for liquidity before selling off from supply, right? And where can it go? It can go to the previous low, intraday low, which is 136.0. So if supply is found, then price can drop to the previous low. Otherwise, we need a clear break and retest for a bullish continuation. And if we do get bullish continuation, then 140.00 target if bullish momentum continues, okay? And then we'll just play on other levels. So I'm just gonna, sorry, I'm just out of breath. We're gonna go through the charts and see how it could play out. So, this is just a monthly candle this week. This month has gone a bit bullish, right? Weekly looks bullish, but we are at a key level right now on weekly, okay? So we can't just neglect this level, but you see right here, this level right here is a very key level from 137.8 all the way to 130, like 8.2-ish, right? Right here. So, this level right here. Where's our next intraday low? Our intraday low is over here at 136. So if we do get some sort of rejection of that, we can sell off. And if, as you can see on weekly, it's a key weekly level, right? Like that. Very key weekly level. So it could act as resistance and drop down. But we're going to need some confirmation. We're at this very important level. And it's possible that we do drop down. But to break up, we would need something like this to happen, right? Let's say, so let's just plot out the levels first. We go 4 hour, we got 141.00. So if price does something like this, breaks up, creates a new low, and then we head up to 140.00. Otherwise, we might get something like this, right? And then down, right? So lower high, sell off the previous low right here. So you see, we also currently have like a intraday bullish trend line. And we're at a supply zone. So you know what happens? Cycles usually change the supply level. So if we start doing this and we break, then that's the impulsive break. We'll get another accumulation cycle and then break down, right? So just got to watch market structure and see what happens. 136.0. All right, so that level right there. But you see how this is a very large block of orders level. There's also 142.0, which is 142.5, which is also supply level. But essentially, that's what we're looking for in GJ. There is like this trend line here, right? So to go fully bearish, price would need to break that. So maybe something like this could happen, right? Break, okay, redistribution cycle, and then down to our target, right? Or if we don't get this, then we can just get something like this, right? Top, grab liquidity right here and continue up to that. Otherwise, what we said, down like that, right? So it's just possible scenarios that could play out. We have our levels. There are also more intraday levels, like 137.0. So let's say this rejects, it could fall straight to 137.0. Right, if we see we can't break past it, it could fall straight there, or price can push up to 138 and then drop, right? These wicks here, this area too. So just have to watch and see how price plays out. But essentially, this is the analysis supply level. It's a very key level, so we're going to be watching, monitoring how price reacts to it. I'll be up for London, so I'll be posting on Instagram and seeing what happens. But straightforward analysis, always straight to the point. Last week's analysis played out perfectly. We hit 137.8, which was the target, right? We've been analyzing that since all the way down here. So we're now back at the supply level. Now we're going to see how price reacts. If price does break it, we're going to need solid daily or like couple 4 hour candle closures above it to really see if it's broken. Otherwise, if we do reject it, maybe we'll pull up to 138.0 or 138.2 for liquidity and then drop. Remember, higher the better for sells, very premium sell price. Currently, we're at 138.2, and it looks like it's kind of rejecting this area. Possible it just drops down. If it happened for pre-London, who cares? But if it does go into pre-London, price pulls up, then even further confirmation for sell-off supply, right? All right, that's it for GPJPY second week of October. Thanks for watching.